All right, guys, here we are mid-build on this 87 TRX250R. We got a lot of pieces prepped and painted. Got some of the hardware back from zinc plating. Have the engine built, and this one's going good. Everything's looking good. We're about to start assembly soon. Got the zinc back from plating. I use industrial electric plating in North Carolina. They are awesome. A little bit of clear zinc, a little bit of yellow zinc. Got it set up. Here we are on about, I don't know, if I had to guess, hour number 20. This is probably on and off 3 days, give or take. Just trying to get all the little details, just get all the details right. And we're working on it, working hard on it. It's coming out good. Really happy with the outcome so far. Just assembled all the brake hoses, so I'm probably gonna start bleeding that tomorrow. Try to get all the throttle functioning, brakes functioning, clutch adjusted, maybe do a spark test on it. I think very pleased with the outcome. The team effort in the shop, a couple of guys doing some different parts of this build, so pretty proud on this one. We got another 87 coming up shortly after, so it'd be nice to see two of these fresh built and ready to go. So just keep following. All right, guys, here we are. Pretty much wrapped up this build, except for plastics, which I got the whole team working on a piece there and a piece there. It is looking good. I do believe Matt is gonna be super happy with it. I am super happy with it. No complaints on this one. Once the fenders are done and polished, I think she's gonna be a beauty. I'll do a final video, maybe even a test run, test ride. Then we're gonna drain it of all the fluids and put her away, because we're building another one right behind it. We have a red hood, and we're gonna have a blue hood right here. So I'll post more pictures and videos. Bunch of junk. So here she is. Imperfections, but perfect imperfections. What's up, guys? Travis at DNA. This is a 87 TRX250r. We are 100% done, and pretty much just gonna crank them up later on. This one's ready to run. All the fluids are in it except for fuel, so we're gonna do a run test on it later on. But we're about to start another build with a blue seat, hood, and nose piece tank, and have a matching pair of red and blue 87 TRX 250Rs. But this one is a final version of what it is. So just figured I'd show you guys. We polished out a set of original fenders. Seat is 100% original. Tires, wheels, originals. This bike is about as good as it gets for a restoration piece, in my opinion. We've changed only what was necessary for non-original parts. Everything else is new old stock or replated, refinished, and good to go. So figured I would share with you guys before we send it out. I'm gonna do a 2-part series on this. This is gonna be part 1. Part number 2 is gonna be the blue bike, and both of them together. So I do hope you stay tuned and follow up, and hope you enjoy the build. These shocks were a mess, so this was a big part of our restoration. We've tackled these shocks and got them going. Engine build, we do a ton of those, so that's not a big deal. But all in all, very happy with the outcome, and like I said, I'll do a video of it running and driving soon enough.